Hi, I'm Catherine. Today I'm going to talk about my explanatory presentation. Now the news about destruction of various natural habitats and the extinction of species appears more often in people's vision. I don't know if you thought about why. An update to the International Union of Conservation of Natural Red List of threatened species has declared 31 animal and plant species extinct. Over the last half-billion years, there have been 5 mass extinctions, when the diversity of life on Earth suddenly and dramatically contracted. Scientists around the world are currently monitoring the 6th extinction. According to the historical records of Earth, scientists have discovered that it is now in the 6th mass extinction period. I will try to analyze from 3 different questions. The first one is who were affected by the extinction? Second one, what happened in the extinction? Third one, why the extinction happened? So first question, who were affected by the extinction? No creature on Earth is immune. Human and every creature on Earth were affected. The red list places the 105,732 species of plants and animals that is analyzed into different categories. The number of species that are considered threatened fall into the categories of vulnerable, endangered, and critically endangered. The second question, what happened in the extinction? Many species have disappeared in the world forever. It took a very short time for golden toad to disappear without a trace. I found a record from Elizabeth Kolber's book, The Sixth Extinction. It said she went back to the States for a while to write her dissertation, and when she returned, she couldn't find any frogs, for that matter, amphibians for any kind. She is a student's research about amphibians, and she found the golden frogs several months ago, but when she came back to that area, there was no frogs there. Everyone should be familiar with bees, but who would thought that bees will also face extinction? The decline varies widely among the bee families. Records of common helicoid bees have declined by 17%, but records of the rarer Melodidia bees have decreased by 41%. Now, I think everyone has a question in their mind: why the extinction happened? The first reason I found is human activity. There was a report that almost 30,000 species face extinction because of human activity. Overpopulation, pollution, overfish, and so on are all harmful to the environment. And the second one is global warming. Maybe we can relate global warming with human activity to talk. Because of human activity, carbon dioxide emission increase. The atmosphere becomes thinner. A large amount of ultraviolet rays cannot be blocked, and the temperature of entire Earth becomes higher. That led the extreme weather becomes abnormally frequent. Antarctica has been losing about 134 billion metric tons of ice per year since 2002. The last The last reason I found is bacteria infection. The spread of germs throughout the species causes mass of that species. Research shows if reservoirs exist from which the pathogen could rapidly emerge. In principle, epizootic might research year after year until population size were reduced below the variable level. It's about 50 to 500 individuals. These are all I want to talk. I analyzed from three different questions. First, who are affected by the extinction? Second, what happened in extinction? Third, why the extinction happened. Except what I mentioned above, many other species on the Earth are slowly disappearing all the time. Human activities have led to the widespread disappearance of biological habitats and the destruction of environment. Global warming, rapid population growth, and the deterioration of the natural environment have made life on Earth undergoing the sixth mass extinction in history. If people still do whatever they want to, it is possible that we will also be extinct in the end. Thank you.